Me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough get going.
What you want to buy, ma'am? You want to go your tongue? You want to do your ear?
Yeah, I want tattoo. The tattoo too, you know.
Yeah.
No, darling. I'm just looking at nice pair of slippers of brown or gold preferred.
I have just the thing for you.
Bring some of my matches. Here, summer come here, sell her today by the hook and by the crook. I'm a seat fan already.
That's your color.
Yeah. I like that slippers. They look nice summer.
Yeah. These things are a little bit too tight.
We're talking about too tight. My girl, big things now again. A tight pants, tight shirt, and a tight slippers. Push up your foot. Yeah.
Pushing your foot. Yeah.
Push up your foot. Are you this?
Pushing your foot, ma'am. Yeah. See that it fit, ma'am.
This is not working out. This is too tight. I think I like to pass.
No,
maybe next time.
Hey, you broke like. She never want to buy nothing in the first place. She broke and popperized them. She go away.
And you see, I had the main one to you. But I notice you come down and the office don't license you and cat, you know. Then you say, and cat license is supposed to paint in a yellow with the 3 diamonds them on the front. Why you make me laugh, you know?
Wait, what you say? In order for we benefit from all them freeness that our government put in place for business people, me have to go foreign and come back?
That's another way to look at it too.
I'm mad, you madman. After me pay so much tax? Oh, low tax paying argument to people who really pay tax. Oh, me pay tax. Whether directly or indirectly, me pay tax. Government always have some way to take it away from you. So me supposed to benefit from some of them insensitivity that way them are give away.
Me was. I don't know anything about any obia.
Obia? What is that? Right, is that some Jamaican food?
Them going use food and ketchup.
Oh, ketchup. That's some other Jamaican food.
Everything that happens is Chinese man get blamed. See, no all that don't have color Chinese name.
Apparently, Miss Brown did not explain the implications of your situation. Now,
The indication of what nation? Hey, someone talking about me and I went a while ago.
I don't have a clue.
Hey, sir, me I beg you talk English because I can't understand your Spanish.
Yeah.
okay, you will need to have your TRN, your TCC, the receipt for all the goods that you're importing, plus you will need to get a customs broker to assist in the clearing of your goods.
Well, really say, summer. Hold on, receipt. I'm going to bill them matter.
Them same one. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to find them the now, sir. Go find bill them. And custom broker. We're done broke already, you know. We don't have it.
Yeah.
We don't have it. We're broke already.
I have to get back to my lunch break, so have me
Go back out with lunch break. Yes, Ginger. Well him. Make me kick one foot, make someone sit on 9 face and suffocate in the nastiness.
I hope you know what you just do.
So they don't know what we just do it. We as in me and all are we? Then all you say we are bad people. Oh, leave me out of the we.
You realize if we...
You come back here with that wee thing there. Me say, leave me out of the we.
It seems as if it's force and force are in the force. But I am going to see to it that the force are out of the force with force.
35 to life.
Let's go off this. What the hell?
Me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough get going.